Banks have approved the corporate debt restructuring proposal of about 13,500 crore worth of loans of infrastructure firm Gammon India Limited in yet another example of more companies coming into the loan restructuring mechanism due to their inability to pay back in a slowing economy. Part of the restructuring proposal is that Gammon will now get 10 years of repayment period, reduced interest rate by 1 to 2% of its loans, and a 2 years moratorium, which means a repayment holiday to facilitate its repayment and overcome its current crisis phase. Out of the 13,500 crore, 3,500 crore is the fund exposure, and the remaining will be the non-fund exposure. Even that will be restructured to the extent the company has used that facility. This is basically, Gammon is joining the list of several companies in the recent months which have opted for CDR. You have HCC as an example, you have Suzlon, and you have several companies in the real estate segments, textile and power sectors. This is a trend, and this is the second cycle of restructuring which India is witnessing after the 2008 global crisis period. And this time the difference is that the pace of recovery of economy is pretty slow compared to the assistance given by the Reserve Bank of India by a series of rate cuts in the first cycle. This time RBI is cautious to cut rates because of the high inflation. Hence the stress is persisting on the economy, which is keeping the interest costs high for the corporations, and in turn, impacting their ability to repay their obligations to banks.